Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type services. Then from the search results, click here to open it. Now once we are here, we need to find out sysmain. So right click on it, select properties, then select startup type as disabled, then stop the service and click on apply and then OK. Now we will going to search for another services, Windows search. So here it is, right click on it, select properties, then again select startup type as disabled, then stop this services. After that click on apply and then OK. Once done, we will move to the next step. Simply close this window, then again go to search bar, type in file explorer, then click here to open it. On this window select this PC and right click on C drive, select properties. On this window we need to select tools tab, then from error checking click on check and click on scan drive. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, close this window and move to the next step. Go to search bar, type in task manager, type task scheduler, then click here to open it. Now on this window expand task scheduler library, then expand Microsoft, then expand Windows folder. From here we need to search for defrag folder, simply select it. On the right side you will see schedule defrag, then simply select it, and on the right side click on end, select S. Now again on the right side click on disable. So this schedule defrag is disabled now, so close this window. Again go to search bar, now type here task manager, click here to open it. On this window we need to click on run new task, then select browse button. Now go to this PC and open C drive. Once we are here, open Windows folder, then open system32 folder. Now select cmd.exe file and simply click on open. Now this will be our main file. Check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. Now we need to execute command, so type in sfc /scan file and simply hit enter to execute the command. So this will take some time to complete the process. Till then we will complete the next method. Go to search bar, then type in control panel, simply open it. Now from view by select large icons. Now we need to find out system here, so just scroll down. So here it is, click on it. On this window you will see the installed RAM. So my installed RAM is 8 GB. Now click on advanced system settings, then click on advanced tabs, and from performance simply click on settings, again click on advanced tab, and then virtual memory, click on change. Now we need to uncheck this option, automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and select custom size. So in initial size we will put this recommended 1919, and in the maximum size we will calculate some things. So here it is, for 8 GB RAM you will put the 6144, and for 8 GB RAM you need to put 12288. So my system have 8 GB RAM, so I will put in 12288. So click on set, select OK and close this window. Now simply go back to command prompt window. So this is also completed. Now type exit to close this one. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.